Okay, hey everybody, welcome to RV Barndominium, and we just wanted to go ahead and add in an extra video to the footage that we're going to be showing you, which is kind of chaotic and sporadic, right?
All over the place.
So, first of all, let's get a couple things out there. So we did change our name. I don't think I did a video of that previously. So we've been wanting to change our name for a while. It's always been BridgeviewAdventures, and we changed it to RV Barndominium just because we wanted to incorporate the RV, which is kind of the reason the whole Barndominium thing came into play, because we loved to RV. We knew we wanted a space and a spot to park our RV indoors, and then we did research. Long story short, we knew that we loved the Barndominiums, Polebarn homes, so that's where that came from. And our beastie RV is parked outside right now. We are coming to you at this point. We have already moved into our Barndominium. So we just wanted to kind of touch base and say that that the videos, towards the end of the videos, they are getting kind of sporadic. There's not a lot of footage of certain things because we were just extremely busy with everything that was going on.
And there wasn't a lot of projects that were start to finish.
Mm-hmm.
Most of it was just punch list items, just little things here, little things there, stuff not quite finished or...
Yeah, so the things that were going on, so we were trying to get ready for inspection, because before you can get...
That was a punch list.
Yeah, before you want the inspector to come, of course you want to pass, so you have to have everything ready to go and perfect. So we were trying to get all the little stuff that Tony was doing and that I was doing and I was helping him with. We're trying to get those punch list items out of the way. We also had contractors coming in at the last minute. So in this video, it's sometime in October, early October. We had the carpet contractors in. We had the final plumbers in. They actually were here on the same day at the same time. It was so chaotic. We had stuff going on. So we did try to get footage here and there. Yeah. But like I said, it is sporadic. So we apologize for that. But
we weren't going to reschedule either one of them.
Right.
Because then it would have just pushed it back another week or something, to get it done. And, we wanted to get through inspection and get it over with, get it done.
This has been going on so long. So just to go backwards to our timeline. So we started building our pole barn. Our Amish contractor started building in 2019. It was like the first week in June, and then he finished like a month and a half later. So, and then sometime in August of 2019, we moved here on the land with the RV.
RV.
Yes, in the RV and with the RV while we're finishing out the inside. So we're living in the RV, and it took us, of course, you got to remember COVID's going on all of 2020. So that kind of put us behind with certain things. We did not actually, we initially planned on moving in like 12 months later. So we thought we would be in by June of 2020. Wrong-o. June came, July came, August came, September, October. Finally, sometime in November, towards, I don't know, it was before Thanksgiving. I think it was right around Thanksgiving. I think right before Thanksgiving, we actually did move into the pole barn. Like I said, all of our videos, we definitely could have got more footage. So we do apologize for that. So hopefully some of the stuff will be helpful. We did get footage of the final move before we moved in. So we do have some good videos coming up. We have some more exciting stuff coming up because we're doing stuff after we move in too, right?
Already changing.
Yeah. So in this video, you'll see the closets getting installed. Tony installed our
master closet.
Clearview. It was like a kit that we got from Menards. He installed the closet upstairs. The chandelier, our closet has a chandelier. It's really cool. We finished the closets down here, but that was a little more towards the end of summer. We had the plumbers here. Let's see. I don't know what else is in this video. Oh well, I guess you guys can watch and find out. And then anything else that I want to say? Anything else? No? No. Okay. Well, we hope all of you guys are staying safe and well. And for you folks out there that's been following us along, we appreciate everything. And as always, if you have any questions, we don't know, you know, what people's interests are or what their questions are. Shoot us a comment below,
Yep.
and we'll be happy to answer
We
that.
got a lot of questions coming in. That's fine.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
happy to answer them.
Yeah.
As much as we can.
Yeah. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that. We appreciate all the love that you guys give us. And without further ado, here's the rest of the video. Take care, guys. The plumber came today and finished up hooking the water up. Look at the beautiful. Tony's putting together our Clearview with a K, put together self-assemble closet units, cabinets. There's a little more involved than we thought. Some of the side panels actually have to be cut. We didn't realize that. I mean, it's no big deal, but...
Yeah. It comes with this cutout
Yeah.
for the baseboard to go around.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Our baseboards are taller.
Too tall.
Taller than
So you have to cut that out taller too.
No, yeah, it's going to be even more.
Oh, there's a problem. The hall closet. Let me go measure the other one. Lights off. It's about the same. 39 and a half. This one's 40 actually. The other one had a board right here. That was
Oh,
nailed
yeah.
to. So this one's 40. That was 40. All right, let's cut it.
I'll hold the dead end.
Well, that was easy. All right.
I try to make it look hard. See, that's the key. What are you, Kung Fu
Probably not
master?
gonna
Kung
fit.
Fu master now?
It's not gonna fit. Yep,
Alrighty.
that's good. Now number 2. It's still a tad tacky.
Yeah.
Ooh, this one's right on the money.
Good.
Well, there's a tiny little 1/8 gap, but really close. Well done, we have clothes.